Hello, fans of effective organizational change. In our previous videos, we looked in detail of why change initiatives fail and how to create an effective change management plan. As well, our experts shared years of experience in this sphere. Today's video is an introduction to change management models. Each of these approaches can be an effective tool for making informed decisions about important business processes. In the end, you'll gain knowledge that will help you, your team, and your company to become more comfortable with change. While we've not yet started to get to know each model separately, we would be grateful if you like this video and subscribed to the Integrity Vision channel. That way, more people will be able to find out about our channel and our content, where we answer popular questions and talk about solving problems that our customers have faced. And now, let's meet these strangers called 7 top models for most efficient change management. The first model that we'll take a closer look at is called the McKinsey 7S model. This model consists of 7 factors. The hard elements are strategy, structure, and system, while the soft elements are shared values, people, style, and skills. This model can help you to anticipate how a change in one department or process will affect the other elements of your organization. The nudge theory. This model is not primarily focused on business change, but is a tool for managing people, providing a deeper understanding of individuals' thought processes and decision-making patterns. How does it work, you may ask? If you want to introduce a new policy that will directly affect your employees, stop and think about how can you communicate the benefits of a change to them, framing the policy in a positive way. This can inspire your employees to embrace and implement it while minimizing potential resistance. The Satir model. This model consists of 5 stages of change and the reactions you can expect from your employees during these stages. The stage 1 is called late status quo. This is where your organization is before you implement any change. Here, you need to assess whether or not there is a valid reason for initiating any change. The second stage is foreign element. As a change happens, it can make some employees feel insecure. Recognizing these reactions as atypical is very important. The third stage is chaos. This phase can bring disorganization to your business, leaving many employees feeling unsettled and exposed to uncharted waters. The fourth stage is integration. As people begin to see the new opportunities that change brings, they begin to accept and integrate the change into their work. The last and 5th stage is the new status quo. Once the change takes place, it gradually becomes the norm, establishing a new standard. People become more accustomed to the change over time, promoting a renewed sense of achievement. And you will learn about the 4th and many more change management models in the upcoming video. Next time, our change management expert Olha will join us to answer the questions of which model to choose for your personal goals. So don't miss out on our next video to get the full picture.